So, hello guys, welcome to Winning Vlog, and this is Inday Winning's daughter voiceover. So, for this video nga pala is mag-inventory si Inday Winning. So, ayan, nakikita nyo yung mga repak-repak na mga biscuit chichirya. Ayan, naka-separate na sila. May Bravo, may buttercream, may combi, may Footies, may Presto. Ayan, may combi. Ayan, may kape. Tsaka may mga chichirya din. So, ayan naman na for today's video guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe YouTube channel of Inday Waning and page Inday Waning. And yun naman na for today's video guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.